Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change to dark mode on Instagram. So, first of all you need to do, and of course, is downloading Instagram on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and click at sign in to create your account. If you do have that, just go and log into your account and let's get straight to it. So let's get into Instagram. So if we want to make it, as you can see first, our Instagram is white. If we want to turn it on or turn on the dark theme or darker theme mode, all I need to do, just go to my profile here, and as you can see, there are three lines on the top right corner. Click on that and just click simply on settings. Then after clicking on settings, all you need to do is just look for theme. If you don't find that, just click on the search button or option and search for theme. As you can see, here is it. All I need to do, just click on it, and as you can see here, we have two options. We have the lights option and we have the dark option. So if we want to change to dark mode on Instagram, all I need to do, just click on dark here. Then, as you can see, everything is black now. Everything from home screen to profile to search to everything. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.